Hello there, everybody. Just want to kind of delve into Google Keep a little bit further than the last screencast and show you some advanced use of it. Again, I really think that it's going to be something that both teachers, students, and admin alike see the strong use of, and hopefully they can envision how it would help them in their context. So, just a quick overview. Remember Google Keep, keep.google.com, or you can get it through your Google dashboard. Same way you would get to other apps. You see here, even though I have it split screen on this Chromebook, you have the Keep Notepad with all of the different notes that I have. Remember that if you pull up the menu, you'll see the different labels that you can create so you can categorize your notes. You can set reminders. You can archive ones that you're done with or just trash them. Also, there are certain settings that you can adjust in order to customize it to your liking. But in this case, what I'd like to do is focus on how and in what way Google Keep can really help projects, such as research projects, that you would then create on a formal Google Doc. So you see here, I'm going to use Watergate as an example. In this turquoise note, I have some images that I've uploaded about Watergate. Also, when doing my research, which you see here is on the left-hand side, I'm looking at a Washington Post article on Watergate. I was writing down ideas and note-taking here on and doing some practice writing on Google Keep on my notepad, as well as thinking about some of the things I need to do to get this done. I put a to-do list down here. What's great are there are two different ways in order to be able to transfer this information onto something more formal like a Google Doc. You'll see here I'm going down to the More menu. Sometimes people call it the snowman because of the three dots on top of each other. And one of the things you have here is a copy to Google Doc option. And when you click on copy to Google Doc, what it does is it copies itself. It opens up a Google Doc. And then once it copies on there, you can open it up and it literally titles the Google Doc the title of your note. In this case, I titled my note Watergate, and now the Google Doc that I have created is also called Watergate. And you see here it populates, and then you can continue to work on it. So Google Keep is a great notepad for the kind of ideas that you want to keep, and also transfer it onto your actual writing. I would like to also kind of point out, as this doc loads, there's another way to do it as well. So here I went and did it the other way, and I created a Google Doc and I entitled it Research Project. I'm going to go ahead and hide this right here and open this up. The other way that I can bring Google Keep, my Keep Notepad into my doc in order to make my notes more formal is if I go to the Tools menu. And as you see here, it says your Keep Notepad. And what will happen is that it'll come up over here on the side and you see all of the notes that you have. In this case, I want Watergate. I can very simply copy and paste the particular part of the note right here onto the doc. Or if I go here to the top right, again, it'll look like a snowman. To the menu, it says Add to Document. And when I hit Add to Document, there you have it added right there. I can erase. In this case, I don't want my to-do list, let's say. But that's something to think about. Maybe during the organizational phase, you want students to be able to say, okay, I'd like a checkpoint of your progress. Go ahead and copy your note onto a Google Doc and then turn that into me on Google Classroom. So it's a great way to give a checkpoint for organization. It doesn't mess up their notes on Notepad. And now they have a record of their progress, of their thoughts, and their research notes. A great way to use the Chromebook and these online tools as a way to help keep them organized. These images can be resized so that they can be formatted the way that they would like, based on the report and what it is that they're being asked to do. So again, Google Keep, I urge you to try it. And as always, jgillig at lusd.net if you have any questions. Thank you.